It's not even the 4th of July, and yet they're killing our ears already. Whoa! Ow, God! Maybe I should record this inside. Dang! What are they doing? God, this hurts my ears. Oh God! Oh no! Oh. Dang! These explosions! Sorry. Oh, wow. Look, yes, they're all, it's the 4th of July. All those bangs are, oh God, how loud are these? I'm recording. And that one looks like Christmas, and it has a trail.
You're funny.
I'm just gonna do this outside still. Oh God. Dang, these ones are loud.
Show your mom when she shows up.
Dang. What are, oh. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, that's bright.
It's coming from the park.
It looks like it's coming from our neighbor's house.
4th of July park.
How big does that look? It's coming from, it looks like it's coming from our neighbor's house.
But it is not. It's coming from way over there, buddy.
I can't tell. My eyes are horrible.
Mine too.
Dang, this is so bright. If I shake the... Oh, no way. Whoa. Ah, there's smoke everywhere. The bearings. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow, my ears. My ears. My ears. Sorry. Ow, God. Woo, yay, this is really cool, guys. I can't tell you. If you were here, you probably need a gas mask. Can't breathe, and it's not even July. It's the 30th. It's not even July yet.
This is true.
Tomorrow is July. Okay, guys. How long is this gonna go on for? All night?
Oh, that's a big one. No.
Trust me, I've seen bigger.
20 minutes maybe.
Oh God, my iPad has. What's wrong there? Okay, let's go. I paused that for a second, but I'm back. It's so dark out here, don't you think? Yeah. Ah, they're about done. Nope. They're just getting started. Oh God.
It'll be a finale. The finale's gonna be a lot busier than it is now.
But you hear those noises? Ow! It feels like my eardrums are gonna die. I wonder if my friends are seeing this. Half of them are like scattered around this town. I don't know. But still, that is an amazing sight to see here in Las Vegas. And by that I mean we see it everywhere. And if you can see all that smoke, you probably wouldn't want to be here. Oh, whoa, look at that one. Dang. These ones, they're getting better. That one was oh, wow. Though I think some of them are going off on the ground because I hear bangs even after they go off. Whoa, there was a flash of light. And of course there was a flash of light. The explosions in the air. Can you hold this now?
What? I'm not holding that.
Okay. I just wanted to see if you could record it a bit better than me.
If I hold that, I'm gonna play games on it. I'm just saying.
There's not. Whoa. If I continue recording this to at least 20 minutes, my eardrums are gonna die. Oh.
You're right.
These ones are different. They look like planets or something. That's green. Whoa, that green one's not going. Maybe you should. Oh, whoa. Maybe you should record too.
No, you got it. You're doing
True,
good.
I'm the only one that's probably gonna post it to YouTube.
I'm sure.
No, you can't see most of it
No,
because.
you can. You're doing good.
No, I mean, but the house, our neighbors, blocking it.
No, honestly, they're not blocking it.
No, I mean, they're blocking.
They're way up there. You're doing good at recording. See?
Is this the finale?
No.
We've still got a long way to go. It's only been 6 minutes.
Probably starting soon because of this dying down, so probably getting ready to launch all the other ones at one time. You'll tell because they'll get really busy. Uh-oh, see? Bam, bam. The biggest one left.
I better make sure I get that one on record. This is a sight to see, guys. Still going? I hope I can still go. Whoa. Ah! Oh, God. Oh, finale. Oh, whoa, that's big. Whoa, God, those are big. Are you guys seeing this?